There are numerous software failure case studies. If you don't want to end up being one, keep watching. We know you need to bring new products and updates to market faster than ever before. And in that race towards excellence and speed to market, the fact that the basic processes have to evolve in order to achieve these goals gets ignored. You need to be able to continuously deliver on a number of aspects, like product releases and updates, stakeholder reports, quality improvement, efficiency gains, and so on. How do you do that? Well, you need to modernize the delivery organization by transitioning it towards continuous integration. Continuous testing plays a vital part in that process. You need to ask yourself some questions to start the transition process. Am I spending too much on testing efforts? Is comprehensive testing affecting my time to market? Are my current test practices resulting in quality improvements? Do my stakeholders get immediate feedback at the end of each sprint? Answers to these questions will decide next steps towards continuous testing. Here's what you need to set up and excel in continuous testing: automated and continuous quality monitoring, automated provisioning of virtualized test environments, standardized processes, templates, guidelines, and checklists for DevOps, integration build, deployment, end-to-end test automation, and reporting, and tightly integrated DevOps teams. We at Emtec can help you get started with this transition or expedite it if you have already embarked on it. Let's talk about continuous testing. Call us on 1-800-800-8805.